the planters. Hello and welcome to our video on how to grow ginger plants at home. Ginger is a popular spice that is used in many different cuisines around the world, and it's also known for its medicinal properties. Growing ginger plants at home is a fun and rewarding experience that can help you save money and ensure that you have fresh ginger whenever you need it. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of growing ginger plants in your own home. So let's get started. To plant ginger, follow these steps. 1. Choose a suitable location. Ginger prefers a warm, humid climate and partial shade. Select a location with well-draining soil that receives partial sunlight throughout the day. 2. Prepare the soil. Ginger grows best in soil that is rich in organic matter. Add compost or well-rotted manure to the soil and mix well. 3. Obtain ginger rhizomes. Purchase fresh, plump ginger rhizomes from a reputable source. Look for rhizomes with buds or eyes. 4. Plant the rhizomes. For commercial cultivation, plant ginger in double rows with a working path between rows, spacing the rhizomes about 8 to 10 inches apart in rows that are 1 foot apart. Plant the rhizomes 2 to 4 inches deep with the buds facing upward. 5. Water well. Water the newly planted ginger rhizomes thoroughly to ensure that the soil is moist. Ginger needs regular watering, especially when the plant is actively growing. 6. Mulch the soil. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or leaves, around the plants to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. 7. Maintain the plants. Keep the soil moist and weed-free throughout the growing season. Fertilize ginger plants with a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. With proper care and maintenance, ginger should be ready to harvest in about 8 to 10 months, depending on the variety and growing conditions. And there you have it, folks. Growing ginger plants at home is a fun and easy process that can yield delicious results. Whether you use ginger for cooking, teas, or just for its health benefits, having your own ginger plant at home is a great way to ensure that you always have a fresh supply on hand. We hope this video has been helpful, and that you'll try growing your own ginger plants at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.